Unlock the secret to real estate success with data-driven insights. The Vitals Agent Success feature offers a clear roadmap, transforming your strategies into measurable outcomes. Discover how leveraging this tool can elevate your business to new heights. Bold Trail empowers you with actionable insights that directly impact your bottom line. See how agents have thrived by understanding key metrics. These real-world examples highlight the power of informed decisions in driving success. Dive into the specifics of Bold Trail's metrics. Learn which actions lead to success and how you can replicate these strategies. Understanding these metrics is crucial for maximizing your potential in the competitive real estate market. By embracing data-driven decisions, you pave the way for measurable success. Use Bold Trail's Vitals to enhance your performance. Start today with the Vitals Agent Success feature and watch your career soar to new heights.